Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. Next we're going to unbox the next two from my new frog order from package 2. After this one, these two right here, then I have 2 left from package 2. So in case you haven't seen the other videos, these were ordered from New Frog on November 15th, shipped on November 21st, and arrived to me on December 15th, so exactly a month. And I somehow ended up with an amazing 90% off everything in your cart order. So each painting that I got averaged 75 cents. So let's go ahead and open this one. I figured I better get some of these opened while Taylor wasn't here, because so far every one that we have opened, she said she wants in her room. So it looks like we'll be redecorating her room, which is fine. We haven't done it for a little over a year, so it's probably due for a good move everything out, scrub everything down, repaint, recurtains. Time for a new look. She's a little bit older now. She's going to be 7 in 2 weeks. She is growing up so fast. Okay, so back to the painting. 2 kits, come in each one. Small chunk of wax, green boat, no cutout, pink pen. Normal kits. This one I think is going to be gorgeous. This one is this one right here. Yeah, this one's going to be beautiful. This one has 20 colors. Lots of different purples. Blending in is kind of some pinkish colors. I think that's going to look amazing when it's done. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up. Here comes the crinkle. Just kidding. Oh, there it is. Oh, it does have a little bit of free pen in it. Okay, so color 1, more color 1. 2, that is a really pretty lavender color. 3, 4, 5, 6, more 6, 7, there's the 310. So 3 packages of 310s. 8, 9, 10, 3 packages of 550, which is a really pretty purple color. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then there's 20, which is $38.65. So again, all the colors are here. The canvases are all, so far they're really thick, really sturdy feeling canvases. They do have a sparkle to them. If you've ever seen like a Diamond Art Club, now don't freak out, Diamond Art Club lovers. I'm not saying this canvas is like a Diamond Art Club canvas. It's not soft on the back. It is a normal canvas, but this has some glitter effects through the canvas also. That's the point I was getting at. Diamond Art Club's canvas is just amazing. But this is really sturdy, really a thicker canvas. And it's nice too. Okay, so again, there's that one. Looking at the drill field, places like this where the dark, let's see if I can get it where you can see it better. Like there's different colors in through here. One is a 154, the other is a 310. I can tell that it's a little bit, like this is more of a purple, through here's a little more blacks. But I will definitely use my light pad on those areas, because just looking at them, I would end up sticking them wrong. So the light pad will come in handy on that one. Alright, let's open this one. If I can hang on to it, I may just chuck it at you instead. Each one of these are wrapped in a, this is bubble wrap. It's a bubble wrap bag. They're all really well protected. I do cut these apart. And when I do, they still have really bad bends in them. So I iron them before I put them in my portfolio. And here is the next one. Again, 2 toolkits. And this is what this one looks like. Yeah. I think that's going to be beautiful also. I read somewhere that basically people better get their orders in here soon, because China takes a whole month off or something like that on vacation. And I'm okay with that. I actually kind of need them to take a month off, so I take a month off of ordering and start doing a lot of these. I've only ordered, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, I probably have 9 or 10 different paintings that aren't from this huge New Frog order. But since then, I think I've only ordered my Ever Moment that I talked about. And then last night I ordered another one from Houlihan. That's rounds. That I thought was really cute. So, other than that, I'm trying really hard not to order anything. I found myself looking around on AliExpress yesterday and I was like, no, just shut it off. Just shut it off, because I have a little bit of extra money, and if I see something that I want, I'm going to buy it. So if I don't need it, shut it off. So I keep making myself just collect my coins, water my little tree thing that's in there. If I remember, I do the freebies thing and then shut it off. New Frog, I just log in, check in, shut it off. I can't be, I'm not the type of person that can just go in, look around, oh yeah, those are all cute and shit. No, I will buy it. I will end up finding one and going, oh, I just have to have that. Buy it. No, I don't have to have it. I have so many kits right now. I don't need to buy any more for a long time. I could probably go this entire year without buying a single other diamond painting and not get through half of what I have. That's ridiculous. It's my shopping obsession. Whenever I get upset or I get angry, or hell, if I get overly happy, I just go buy stuff. But it usually happens when I get upset by stuff. Okay, so this one, sorry, I just off on a tangent. Squirrel. This one has 17 colors. This one I actually ordered for down here in my craft room. Just because I thought it was beautiful and it'll look good in here. Alright, the DMC codes are on the canvas. They are not on the bags. Holy heck, where's number 1? Okay, here we are. Number 1, 2, 3, also 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more 7, so 2 bags of 7, 8, 9, 10, oh, more 10, so 2 bags of 10, 11, that is a really, really pretty color, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So again, all colors here. Nothing to worry about with that. $17 colors. Single red rose. Of course, it has the words combo in front of it because that's what I call my multi-panels. So this one I called Combo Single Red Rose. Alright. There we go. Let's look at the drill field here real quick. Okay, so in this area is like 4 different colors. This area is 1, 2, 3, at least 4 different colors. And they all blend together quite well. So definitely light pad area there. I love how that looks in the viewfinder though. I think that is going to be freaking gorgeous. Okay. I am going to try to do a drill with me this week. Kind of break up the unboxings. Got a couple of finishes. Still need to do some post reviews so I can get my Christmas presents back to the people that I gave them to. Yeah. There should be one more video after this one of 2 more kits that came in package 2 of my 4-package order from New Frog. The fun one's going to be this big box that's sitting here next to me. It's a pretty big box full of paintings. So, okay, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you all for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.